All right, check out the little bag. This is my travel bag I take with me. Genuine leather stitching, beautiful stitching on here. It has an actual opening, real simple to open the actual bag. And look, you hear that little snap? It snaps in there. Now, it does have a button here, so that's a plus, so your things won't spill over if this thing actually tumbles too much, if you guys can see that perfectly. So let's open it up and see what I take when I travel. So currently I'm going to be traveling to Vegas. I want to take some stuff with me, but I'm flying, so I cannot take any chemicals, I can't take any liquids and so forth. So I minimize what I take. Not only women have bags, but men do too. Now I have my deodorant in here. There we go. Little razor, I got a shave there. All right, this is actually electrical. And then my toothbrush, and of course toothpaste, but in some places they don't let you take this, so maybe minimum. And then of course a razor blade, and because I am bald, so we're gonna put some more stuff in here. But overall, the size of it, the snap in, look at that, beautiful leather, real beautiful design. And they have a dust bag too. That's how fancy this thing is. So if you guys are looking out for a nice little bag to travel, perfect size. I hope you guys enjoy the video.